So how to make perler bead arts. First, you will need these perler beads, these little plastic beads. And this is the 5 mm regular size. It's good for most project and it's good for beginner to start. So second, you need this tool, the scissor. It's very important to pick up the bead with the scissor. I know a lot of people like to use finger, but you know, when you use this, you can pick up 2 beads at one time. So it's gonna save your time, and when you work on a big project, this is gonna save a lot of time. So the next one is the pad board. This is the regular square one. There's other shape, but I use this one mainly. And then this is how you place the perler beads on it. And then we're gonna do the ironing later. So next up is the ironing paper. You will need this to place it on the bead and then melt the bead with the iron. So I like to use the Perler brand, the ironing paper roll, because I can cut it into different shape, different sizes. And I know a lot of people use the cookie paper as well, but this brand, actually the paper is very smooth, and then you can feel the difference when you do the ironing because, you know, the smooth surface. But you can always go with the cookie paper as well. So the next one is the most important, is the iron, because you can't melt the bead without this one. So I like this little compact size. I use it for a little project and also mini beads. And then this one is very lightweight, and then we'll need to use this to apply the heat onto the ironing paper and on the beads to melt them. So you will also need the pattern to know what to build. I mean, you can always do freehand, but if you're making like a 3D perler figure, you will need a pattern to work on it. So I'll quickly show you the process. So you'll place the bead on the pad board following the pattern or your freehand. So once done, you will place the ironing paper on it and apply heat on the top so that it can melt the beads. And then once you're done on one side, flip it over and then do it on the other side. You need to do it on both and examine each bead to make sure they're not breaking out. So after melt, you will see like a little layer melt on the top and the bottom. Now it's time to assemble them together, and you can watch my tutorials to see how you can put them together without glue. Well done! Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you!